making pineapple vinegar from pineapple skins and core scraps. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. A little bit different kitchen for me. Give you a little tour. There's their stove. There's the real kitchen out there, the campfire. So we had a pineapple. We cut it up. I saved it. I'm going to plant this end. But what do you do with the skins and the cores? Well, I'm going to show you. Let's turn around here and we're going to make pineapple vinegar today. I don't make it very often, but when I have a couple pineapples, I know I'm going to have another one here this week camping. So I have a food grade plastic container, also saved from the trash here of camping. And I'm going to go ahead, put my pineapple in here, cover it with water, and then just wait. And it will be pineapple vinegar. Here, let me turn this around. So these slices are gonna need to be cut. I don't think I can do it with one hand. Just a little bit thinner so they'll fit through the bottleneck. This would be easier if I had a wide mouth gallon jug, but I didn't bring one camping. But I'm gonna cut these into slices that'll fit in the head of my jug here. And I'll show. So here we go. Get the bottle right here. Just get them all down in there. All the cores, all the skins, what you would normally here in America throw away. Just cut them into strips. And I'm going to filter all this out later. Make sure you've washed your hands really well before you start this project. Shake it so it all stays right down in the canister. That one might, oh, it did fit. See if that one fits. Sorry. Just keep putting them down in there. There you have it. So go ahead then and just pour water in. I already got some in there, but just pour water in then to cover. Make sure your fruit stays underneath the level of the water. And you can do this in any container that's food grade. And then you just let it set. I may have to put a weight, some kind of weight to keep that down. You can use a plastic bag with water in it to help keep the fruit from, because anything that's above the water will have some kiln yeast on it. So we'll get that back down underneath there. But that is it. Pineapple vinegar, just like apple cider vinegar. You can use it in recipes. If you have a hygrometer, you can test the acidity. You can use it in canning, as long as it has the right acidity. So simple, easy to make something from your food scraps. There you have it. Today's tip, save your pineapple scraps. So there you have it. It's quick, it's easy. Recycle your scraps into vinegar. It doesn't have to be just apple. There's other fruits it works with too. And then I may just plant the pineapple. We'll see. I haven't had great success with that, but we'll see how I do with that this time. Maybe I'll do that and see what I get. It's a fun experiment for the kids. So there you have it from the camp kitchen. Show you my kitchen one more time. And I'll have a few more videos from here out at camp for you. So thank you and have a great day.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook.